This is the Mercedes Cytan 2024 model, fitted with our Carrier Neos 200 battery-operated refrigeration unit. All our Carrier refrigeration equipment comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty, for extra peace of mind. This refrigeration unit is able to reach -20 on this vehicle. Also fitted to this vehicle is our lightweight kit insulation. This is lighter and more efficient than traditional fiberglass insulation. It also comes with LED lighting for great load area illumination. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.